Hi, we're going to sow some spring onions today. Spring onions, one of my favourite salads. They're so versatile, easy to grow. Once you've sown them, they'll just sit there really, grow away quite happily, and all you need to do is a little bit of weeding. If it gets very dry, then a bit of watering, but other than that, they just sit there and look after themselves. You can sow them from March right the way through the summer. This one you can sow through the summer from sort of March till June, but then you can sow them again in August, September, and they'll overwinter. They're so hardy, they'll just overwinter and give you an early crop the next sort of early summer. We've got a row of carrots here. The smell of the onions can help to deter carrot fly, so hopefully by sowing the two together we've got a bit of companion planting going on. So prepared the soil well, put down a line, just going to make a shallow drill, but ½ an inch deep. Well, one other thing you could do, if it's particularly sort of dry, or you're sowing these later in the year, so perhaps early summer, and it's a little bit dry, you could just water the drill. Just put some water in the bottom of the drill first before you sow, and it just helps by keeping the seeds, the moisture around the seeds. And luckily with spring onion seeds, they're quite big and easy to see because they're black, little chips of charcoal, so not too bad when it comes to sowing, and just as thinly as you can. Doesn't matter if you do get some closer together, you shouldn't have to thin them really, or if you do, then of course you just eat the thinnings and leave the rest to grow on. So just down the row, that's the end. You get a nice lot of seeds in a packet as well, which is quite good, so it's a nice cheap crop to grow, especially if you get them free with your magazine. And then just cover them up. You can either just use soil and just cover them carefully. If your soil's not as nice and workable as this is lovely, put some compost over the top. So I just got some potting compost here, and give it a good water. So that's just sort of direct sowing, but there are other ways to sow spring onions, aren't there, Emma?
You can actually sow them into little cell trays first, and I find this is much better because I find sometimes, I don't know if it's my soil, but I don't always get good germination outside.
No,
but,
I've got heavy clay at home.
But if you've got a cell tray like this, and then I've got, actually I've sown in here, we've got some evergreen bunching, because you can get types that are kind of, you can grow in little groups, so
Yeah,
you can actually just sprinkle the seed, a few seeds in each cell, and then grow them on in a cold greenhouse or in a cold frame.
Yeah.
And then they get to this stage and you can just pop out a cell and just plant them, space them along the row, just plant them out as a bunch.
Yeah,
and
don't split them up.
Don't need to split them up.
Yeah.
And let them grow on that way. And then
you
just
can
harvest individually, or just snip them off.
That's it, and you can start those off in February if you've got a cold greenhouse, can't you? So you just get a little bit earlier than sowing outside.
A bit of a head start, and say if you've had problems with sowing in the open ground, this is a good way of starting them, isn't it?
Yeah, starting them nice and early.